Now question number 22. If the intercept by any tangent to the curve root x by a plus root y by b equal 1 on coordinate axis with p and q, then we have to show that p by a plus q by b equal 1. Now let the given curve is root x by a. It is given curve and it is the tangent. It cuts at one point which cuts OX and OY at point P and Q, and the intercept on x-axis is small p and intercept on y-axis is small q, and point of contact is x1, y1. Now given curve root x by a plus root y by b equal 1. Now find the slope of tangent. We have 1 by 2 root x root a plus 1 by 2 root y root b dy by dx equal 0. We differentiate the given equation with respect to x. Now value of dy by dx is minus root b root y by root a root x. It is value of dy by dx, and at x1, y1 value of dy by dx is given by minus root b root y1 by root a root x1. It is the value of dy by dx at point x1, y1. Now equation of tangent is y minus y1 value of dy by dx, which is minus root b by a root b into root y1 by root a into root x1, and x minus x1. When tangent cuts the x-axis, then this point is small p comma 0, because the intercept on x-axis is p and value of y at this point is 0. Similarly, intercept on y-axis is q and value of x is 0, means point q is 0 comma q. Now at x-axis y equal 0 and x equal q, x equal p, means 0 minus y1 minus root b root y1 root a root x1 and p minus x1. The value of x is p. Then we have minus cancel out, y1 root a x1 by root b root y1 p minus x1, means value of p is x1 plus y1 by root y1, means root y1 root x1 root a root b. Now it is the value of p at y-axis. X equal 0 When tangent cuts the y-axis, the value of x is 0. We put x equal 0 in this equation, and the value of y at y-axis is q, means we put x equal 0 and y equal q, then q minus y1 equal minus root b root y1 root a root x1 0 minus x1, means q equal y1 plus root b root y1 root a root x1 means q equal y1 plus x1 by root x1 means root x1, then root b root x1 y1 by root a. It is value of q. Now we have to show that p by a plus q by b equal 1, means we find value of p by a and value of q by b, means p by a plus q by b, and the value of p is x1, means 1 by a, into value of p is x1 plus root y1 root x1 root a by root b. It is value of p plus 1 by b, value of q, which is y1 plus root b root x1 plus root b root x1 root y1 by root a. Now on multiplying we have x1 by a plus y1 by b plus root x1 root y1 root a by a, root a by a means root a and root b. Similarly, root b by b, firstly write x1 y1 root b by b by root a. Now it is y1 by b plus 2 root x1 by root a root y1 by root b. We can write x1 by a is in the form root x1 by a square root y1 by b square plus x1 by a y1 by b, and it is equal root x1 by a square, and it is equal root x1 by a plus root y1 by b whole square. Since we know that point x1 comma y1 lie on given curve, then P by A plus Q by B equal, lie on given curve, then root x1 by A plus root y1 by B equal 1. Then our equation P by A plus Q by B becomes, we put the value of root x1 by A plus root y1 by B, which is 1, and it is 1 square. Then P by A plus Q by B equal 1, and it is answer.